The little fox who didn't want to be a big brother. Deep in a sunlit forest, in a warm den beneath the roots of an ancient oak tree, lived a little fox cub named Foxy. Foxy was a happy, lively cub, and he loved being the center of his parents' world. He loved the way his mother stroked his fur, and the way his father praised his speedy pounces. His world was perfect. But one day, everything changed. His little sister, Daisy, was born. Suddenly, the cozy den felt crowded. All the attention that was once his now belonged to the new squeaking cub. Everyone said how cute she was and how tiny she was. When Foxy tried to show his father his fastest run, his father was busy calming a crying Daisy. When he looked for a cuddle from his mother, she was busy feeding his sister. A new, prickly feeling began to grow in Foxy's heart. It was jealousy. She ruined everything, he thought to himself, and hid in a dark corner of the den. The next day, Grandpa Fox, who was old and wise, came to visit. He immediately saw the withdrawn little Foxy. He didn't scold him. Instead, he sat down beside him and said in his deep, soothing voice, "It's a big change when a new cub joins the family, isn't it?" Foxy nodded, his eyes filling with tears. "No one sees me anymore," he whispered. Grandpa smiled a warm smile. "They see you, Foxy, but they see you as something new now. You are no longer just a fox cub. You have been given a new, very important job. You are a big brother." "A big brother?" Foxy asked. "What does that mean?" "It's the most important job in the forest," Grandpa explained. "Your job is to be Daisy's teacher. You will teach her where to find the sweetest berries. You will show her how to sneak quietly through the bushes. You will be the one to protect her and make her laugh when she is sad. She will think you are the bravest, smartest fox in the whole world." Something in Foxy's heart stirred. He had never thought of it that way. He hadn't lost his place. He had been promoted. He felt a surge of pride. He quietly approached the corner where Daisy was sleeping. She opened her tiny eyes and looked at him. He remembered his new mission, to make her laugh. He made a funny face, twitching his nose and wiggling his ears. Little Daisy looked at him, and then a sweet giggle, like the tinkling of a tiny bell, escaped her. In that moment, all the jealousy melted away from Foxy like snow in the sun. He didn't see a rival. He saw his little sister. He realized that love isn't like a cake that gets smaller when you share it. It's like a candle that, when it lights another, only makes the whole room brighter. He was a big brother, and that was the most exciting adventure of his life. And that's the end of this adventure. But a new one is always just around the corner. Subscribe to Storiella so you don't miss it.